Hey guys, today we're making shrimp ceviche. The ingredients that we're going to be using are shrimp. We're going to be using 1 diced cucumber, 1 diced red pepper, 1 diced green pepper, 1 diced red pepper, 1 diced tomato, and 1 diced avocado, and also a handful of cilantro. So right now what I'm doing is I'm cleaning the shrimp. I'm removing the membrane in the front and the back, and also deshelling and removing the membrane from the front and the back. So I'm using cold water. You want to use cold water because you don't want to cook the shrimp. Now, the thing about ceviche is that this salad has raw shrimp. Yes, raw shrimp. But the thing is, the lime juice that you're going to put inside of it is going to actually cook the shrimp. So believe it. I mean, I know it sounds crazy. Like, how can lime juice cook shrimp? But believe me, it does. So I have, I started juicing 1 lime, and I have 3 more to go. So in total, I juiced 4 limes. I also have the shrimp sitting in ice water because I don't want the shrimp to start getting too warm. Because ceviche is a cold salad. So after I juice the lime, then I'm going to add all the ingredients except the cilantro and the avocado. And I think I mentioned before that I'm not adding the cilantro or the avocado because the avocado will get too mushy and the cilantro will basically wilt. You just want it to be fresh, and you put that at the end of when you're ready to serve the salad. Okay, so now I'm going to chop up the shrimp into small little pieces. Some people leave their shrimp whole when they make ceviche, but I like to cut mine in pieces because I don't want to eat chunks of shrimp. So like I said, everybody does this differently, but this is how I prefer it. Okay, so now that I have the shrimp in a bowl, I'm going to add some salt, a little bit of salt to it, not too much because I have to add more salt at the end. So I'm just adding just a little bit, and a little black pepper for right now. And later on, I'll adjust the salt and pepper. So now I'm going to add the vegetables. I'm going to start adding the onions, and I'll add all the, basically it's like layering flavors. So I'm just going to start adding all the vegetables into the salad. And as soon as I finish with everything, then I'm going to add the lime juice, and then I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. So now I'm going to mix all the veggies together, and I'm going to add the lime juice to it. Oh, one thing about the lime juice is if you find that the lime juice is too tart or too bitter, what you can do is, a tip that I learned was to either add olive oil or either add water to lessen the acid taste. So I'm going to add olive oil because I don't like the lime being that tart. So I'm going to try to even it out a little bit, so for my taste. Okay, so now I'm adding the lime juice, and like I said before, you just want enough lime juice just to cover the shrimp. You're not making lemonade, so just have enough lime juice just to cover it. And I'm going to add some olive oil in it just to even out the limeness. So I'm going to mix everything together and add the rest of the ingredients later. So now what we're going to do is cover it with you can cover it with saran wrap or foil, it doesn't really matter. And you're going to sit this in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and after 2 hours it should be cooked. Now if it's not cooked and you see some opaque pieces of shrimp, put it back in for a little more longer. Okay, so I'm right now. Okay, so it definitely looks like it's done now because all the shrimp is pink. So see, yeah, it's totally done. So I'm gonna pour in the cilantro. Okay, I'll mix this up. Okay, so now I'm adding some avocado to it, and I didn't put a lot of avocado in the ceviche because I wanted the shrimp to be the main ingredient. And look how pretty this salad is. I mean, this ceviche is absolutely beautiful. All the colors are just popping. All right, so I'm gonna mix everything together. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. Okay, if you guys could smell this, I really wish we had smell-o-vision because this salad smells mouth-watering. Okay, so I'm almost done. So now all I have to do is plate this and add some tortilla chips to this. So now my ceviche is ready, and this is my finished result. Look how beautiful this salad is. This salad is absolutely beautiful, very pretty. So many summer colors, all in one bowl. And this is a very easy shrimp salad that anyone can make. And this, like I said before, this will be a hit at any party. So I'm just gonna try it out because I've been dying to try this out. So I'm going to try it out with this shrimp. This is so pretty. Okay, look at this. Look at all the colors in here. Just beautiful. So now I'm gonna take a bite. I've been dying to eat this all day. This is awesome. This is one of the most delicious salads I ever had. And I love salads, but this salad takes a cake. Well, guys, it is time for me to go and enjoy this delicious ceviche. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a good night. God bless. Goodbye. And thanks again for watching.